So, good morning. I am Rian R. Aronda.
I'm Wendell Badar.
I'm Jerome Albert G. Lavinia.
So, here we are presenting our thesis or capstone titled Using Random Forest Classification to Predict Completion Rates of Grade 6 Students at San Miguel Elementary School. This study addresses the pressing challenge of students dropouts by developing a data-driven completion prediction system for grade 6 students at San Miguel Elementary School. Using random forest classification and analyzing academic, demographic, and socioeconomic data, the system aims to identify students at risk of not completing the school year. By providing early and accurate predictions, the project empowers teachers and administrators to implement timely interventions with the ultimate goal of improving student retention and academic outcomes through evidence-based proactive support. So here is our statement of the problem. The general problem is what predictive system can be developed to identify academically vulnerable students early on in order to enable timely interventions that enhance completion rates and academic performance at San Miguel Elementary School. Specific problems are how can the predictive model be able to accurately forecast the completion rates of grade 6 students at San Miguel Elementary School? How can the predictive model determine which student characteristics have the greatest impact on completion rates and should be prioritized? Third is, how can the system recommend appropriate interventions based on predictive results to improve student completion rates at San Miguel Elementary School? And lastly, how can the predictive system be utilized in the school's existing teaching process to help and support teachers and administrators in making decisions? And for now, we will go towards the system demonstration led by Wendell Badar.
It's me again, Wendell Badar, doing the system demonstration. So as usual, in our system, we have the login, the sign up for account creation, and forgot password just in case na mag-reset the password si teacher. So we have the set account for demonstration purposes. So in our dashboard for our teacher, we have here the dashboard section, which includes yung mga shortcuts dun sa tabs or the sidebar namin. So ML prediction, punta siya dito sa ML prediction sidebar, file upload, and lastly settings. So punta man tayo dito sa ML prediction. So it will not run the prediction if walang naka-upload na file. So we need to upload a CSV file. So choose. We have here the download template for downloading yung Excel file para input ni teacher yung mga necessary data for file prediction or for student prediction. So sa upload file tab, choose tayo ng file. So now nakaselect na tayo ng file, upload natin. So it will be successful. So the status will be ready. So it will be ready for prediction. So click natin itong button nito. So it will direct dito sa ML prediction tab natin, or pwede rin natin click natin itong ML prediction sidebar menu and i-click yung in-upload natin yung file. So run natin yung prediction. So it will take time para ma-process yung prediction. So depending dun sa dami ng mga data na meron yung CSV file. So after the processing the data, so we now have here the currently view results for the CSV file that we uploaded. We have here also the prediction summary. So we have here the total students. So ito yung laman nung mismo ng CSV file. So na-predict niya na at-risk students, we have 14. And ang mag-complete or will complete, we have 26 students. And completion rate na 65%. We also have 3 break Priority breakdowns. High priority, we have 4. We have 10 medium priority, and we have 26 low priorities. So yung low priority, ito yung mga students na magko-complete, while yung medium and high priority is ito yung mga students na at risk. So we have total of 14 at risk students. So below the prediction summary, we have the model insights and analytics. So dito, display yung mga graphs and charts na need ni teacher makita. So we have the prediction distribution. So mapapansin nyo, mas mataas yung will complete the students. So it will reflect here also. So mas mataas yung will complete students sa at-risk students. So we have also here yung bar graph for priority distribution for high, medium, and low. And we also have yung model evaluation metrics. So nandito yung mga metrics for our model accuracy. So we have our accuracy na 90.9%, a 91.0% precision, 90.9% recall, and 90.9% F1 score. We also have the ROCAUC score na 98.1%. So ito yung performance metric, itong ROCAUC score, na nag-summarize kung how accurate yung prediction model namin ginamit. So we also have the top risk factors. So mapapansin nyo, overall, yung pinakamataas na factor or nag-influence na nag-contribute maging at risk si student is yung current grade. So yung current grade is ito yung grade 6 students. So grade 4, mga pangalawa, grade 3, the extracurricular, and the rest of the grade. Grade 5, grade 2. So below is we also have the average confidence nung probability nung students. So for high priority cases, and we have 4 intervention ready for 14 at-risk students. So the table now will display here below the prediction results. We have the students, predictions, probability, or yung confidence level, the top ML factors na nag-contribute kung bakit naging complete si student or naging at-risk si students. And the priority column and the actions. So once you click tong view interventions is pupunta siya dito sa interventions tab. So for example, si student 1, view natin interventions niya. So we have the interventions for student 1. So sabi dito, the key positive factors kung bakit siya naging will complete, yung naging prediction ng aming system is ito yung mga factors: academic performance for grade 1 to grade 6, the family income. So it says here that the student is on track for completion. So there are no interventions for that student. So tingnan naman natin si at-risk student. So for example, si student number 3, review natin yung intervention. So nandito yung mga key factors nagpo-push sa kanya kung bakit siya naging at-risk. So nandun yung kanyang academic performance. So mas mataas yung influence level or yung impact. Secondly, itong school management, school engagement, or yung kanyang extracurricular, the family structure. So yung recommended interventions for that student are the academic support for tutoring sessions, homework assistance, progress monitoring, and student engagement for his or her extracurricular. So itong external risk factors naman na na-detect ng aming system is ito yung mga beyond capacity na may offer ni school. So hindi na walang possible interventions na may offer si school. So below na rin yung itong assigned interventions based dun sa active interventions na naka-assign sa kanya. So academic tutoring, intensive progress monitoring for the students, and yung extracurricular engagement na nag-reflect din dito sa student engagement. So overall, sa list ng mga 14 at-risk students, so dito sila naka-display lahat. So same kanina, pag-view ng details, lalabas din tong detailed intervention for that student. So file upload, so the download template, upload file tab. For the settings, for the teacher's role, you have the profile information, so they can change profile pictures, so they cannot change their user and role, and as well as the email address, but they can change their own password. So punta naman tayo kay admin. Log out tayo. So this is our dashboard for our admin. So as usual, dashboard section is nandito yung mga shortcuts para pumunta dun sa mga necessary sidebar tabs. For settings, ayan. So punta tayo sa user management. So for the word itself, user management, i-manage ni admin yung mga active users. So they can also deactivate yung mga teachers, yung mga account nila teacher. So sa file management, so it manages yung mga teacher uploads, the predictions, and interventions. So same with the teacher, nakikita rin ni admin yung mga ina-upload na files ng mga teachers. So they can select, for example, itong in-upload natin kanina, yung teacher Wendell Badar. You can select it. So nakita natin dito yung mga predictions, 40 students. Dito rin yung file na in-upload niya. Then, the at-risk, so 14. So, same rin. You have the 14 at-risk students. So, sa at-risk students, pag-select natin, pag-view details, syempre detail din dapat yung lalabas na interventions. So, same kanina. Kay student 3, ito, with medium priority. So, same kanina. Meron siya academic performance, school engagement, family structure, and yung mga active interventions na may offer sa kanya. And we also have the reports. So, nandito yung mga logs or event logs na nangyayari inside the system. So, we have the user activity over time, the performance ng system, kung sino yung mga nag-authenticate successfully, yung mga nag-error, yung mga file uploads ng teacher, the user management na active, and yung mga predictions na successful. So lastly, itong settings for admin. So same with the teacher, meron din siyang profile settings and security. They can change their own profile picture but they cannot change their user role and the email address. So as well as the password, di rin na pwedeng baguhin yung kanilang password. So that's all for the system demonstration.
So I'm Jerome Lavinia, and we will proceed with the conclusion. And this project built a random forest system to predict which grade 6 student at San Miguel Elementary School might not complete the year. With 90.9% accuracy, it quickly highlights key risk factors like grades, family backgrounds, and habits so teacher can support student early. The approach is practical, highly rated by staff, and shows how machine learning can improve educational support in Philippine schools. And the next one is recommendations. Teacher and administrators use the system risk score and insight to identify at-risk grade 6 students early and provide timely targeted intervention. Regularly update data to keep recommendation accurate. Parents participate in school partnership programs, communicate with teachers, and support structured study habits and healthy routines at home. Make use of available support service. For future development, enhance the system by automating data processes, expanding to more schools, adding dashboards for alert, and conducting ongoing evaluation to ensure lasting student support.
So that's all for our video presentation of our thesis. Thank you and for your time and attention.